How to use single Snapchat account on multiple devices. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open Snapchat, then tap on your profile, tap on settings on the top right corner, and scroll down to the bottom and tap on logout. So you have to make sure that you have to log in Snapchat account on the main device, that is personal device, from which you'll be able to take snaps and send it to your friends and even save them. There is no big deal on using single Snapchat account on multiple devices. All you have to do is go to the login page and then log into it. But what is the problem is you will not be able to save all the snaps to your Snapchat app when you log in one single Snapchat account on multiple devices. You have to understand that is you'll not be able to save the snaps forever on Snapchat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.